Get ready to live life to the fullest in some of the most amazing places on Earth. We're counting down the countries where people live longest, and the top spot is a real shocker. It's not just about fancy healthcare or exotic diets, but a tiny principality that's got everyone else beat by a whopping margin. Let's take a look at this chart. The overall trend here is pretty steady, with most countries clustered around the same lifespan range. You'll notice that Monaco takes the top spot with an impressive 86.4 years, and it's closely followed by San Marino at 85.7 years. The rest of the countries are all within a relatively narrow band, ranging from 84.0 to 84.6 years. This means that people in these countries tend to live long, healthy lives with only slight variations between them. Here's a look at Monaco, where people are living an astonishing 86.4 years on average. This means that if you're born in Monaco, you can expect to live nearly 9 decades. That's a remarkable milestone, and it's no surprise that this tiny principality is known for its high standard of living and excellent healthcare system. Here's a look at San Marino, where people are living longer than ever before. This tiny country boasts an impressive average lifespan of 85.7 years. That means if you're born in San Marino, you can expect to live into your late 80s on average. What does this mean for ordinary people? It suggests that the healthcare system and overall quality of life in San Marino are doing something right. Hong Kong Sa, China. Here's a look at Liechtenstein, where people live to an impressive 84.6 years. This means that on average, someone born in Liechtenstein can expect to live nearly 9 decades. That's a remarkable milestone, and it speaks to the country's strong healthcare system and overall quality of life. Here's a look at Switzerland, where people live to an impressive 84.2 years on average. This means that in this country, individuals can expect to live nearly 9 decades, which is a remarkable milestone for anyone. For ordinary folks, this figure highlights the importance of access to quality healthcare and a healthy lifestyle, as these factors contribute significantly to longevity. French Polynesia. Here's a key one, folks. Japan is tied with Andorra at an impressive 84 years of life expectancy. This means that, on average, people in Japan are living to be 84 years old. That's a remarkable milestone, and it matters because it shows the country's strong healthcare system and overall quality of life are contributing to its citizens' longevity. In Andorra, people are living longer than ever before, with an average lifespan of 84 years. This is a remarkable statistic that highlights the country's commitment to healthcare and wellness. For individuals, this means they're getting more time to pursue their passions, spend quality time with loved ones, and enjoy life to its fullest potential. Let's take a look at the top 3 countries where people live longest. We've got Monaco leading the pack with an impressive 86.4 years, followed closely by San Marino at 85.7 years, and Hong Kong, Special Administrative Region of China, at 85.2 years. These numbers are truly remarkable, and it's clear that these countries have something special going on when it comes to longevity. We've crunched the numbers on where people live longest, and it's a fascinating list. From Monaco's impressive 86.4 years to San Marino's 85.7 years, these countries are topping the charts when it comes to longevity. Hong Kong's Special Administrative Region of China is close behind with 85.2 years, followed by Liechtenstein at 84.6 years. Switzerland and French Polynesia tie for 4th place with 84.2 and 84.1 years respectively, while Japan and Andorra share 5th spot with a remarkable 84 years. That's the math nobody shows you.